Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. Today we will learn about the incredible journey of Zohran Mamdani's success. Some stories don't just inspire, they change the way you see the world. And some people don't just succeed, they redefine what success means. Today, we are diving into the extraordinary journey of Zohran Mamdani, a story that's not about overnight fame, luck, or privilege, but about courage, persistence, and the kind of vision that can transform an entire community. You will see how one person's mindset, values, and relentless drive can turn obstacles into stepping stones, failures into lessons, ideas into action. By the end of this video, you won't just understand his journey, you'll walk away with the exact principles you can use to create your own impact. No matter who you are or where you come from. Friends, success isn't born overnight. It's built, shaped, and fought for in silence. Today, we uncover the hidden secrets behind the incredible journey of Zohran Mamdani, a story that proves courage, persistence, and vision can change the course of a life and a community. Stay with me because by the end of this story, you will see why success isn't just about challenge or luck. It's about mindset, determination, and values you rarely hear about. Zahran Mamdani didn't grow up in a world of privilege. Like many, he faced the challenges of growing up in communities often overlooked. But in those challenges, he found lessons most people miss. He learned early that empathy and understanding could bridge gaps where money and power could not, while others focused on what they lacked. He focused on what he could give. This perspective would later become one of his greatest strengths: the ability to connect with people, understand their struggles, and inspire change. Education became his tool, but not just academic knowledge. Zahran understood that true education was about perspective, critical thinking, and learning to question the world around him. While many saw school as a routine, he treated it as a launch pad, a place to absorb ideas, sharpen his skills, and prepare for a larger purpose. Every lesson, every book, every conversation was a step toward a big vision. Success never comes without struggle. Zahran faced obstacles that could have broken most people: politics, societal expectations, and skepticism surrounded him at every step. But here's the key: he treated failures as lessons, not roadblocks. Every rejection, every setback was a guide, not punishment. He learned to listen, adapt, and grow stronger. This resilience is a trait shared by every successful person in history. And that's the first hidden secret of his success: the ability to embrace discomfort and learn from it. What sets Zohran Mamdani apart isn't just talent or ambition, it's purpose. He knew that true success meant more than personal gain. It meant impact changing lives, shaping communities, and standing for something bigger than himself. He envisioned a world where people are heard, represented, and empowered. This vision guided every choice he made, every risk he took. He focused on listening more than speaking, understanding more than judging. This mindset earned trust, respect, and loyalty, the pillars of sustainable success. Every rising figure faces critics, skeptics, and cynics. Zohran Mamdani's journey was no different, but he didn't allow critics to define him. He allowed it to redefine him. He learned to separate noise from guidance, focusing on constructive feedback while ignoring the distractions of negativity. This selective attention is often overlooked, but it's a powerful tool for everyone striving for success. Amid all achievements, Zahran never compromised his core values, integrity, empathy, and service remained at the center of every decision. This unwavering commitment to the principles became a magnet for allies, opportunities, and lasting impact. Secret number 4. Values are not just ethics, they are a strategy for sustainable success. Now, what can we learn from Zahran Mamdani's journey? The first one is start with empathy. Understand the world around you. The second one, learn continuously. Every experience, success, and failure is a lesson. The third one, embrace discomfort. Growth often comes from challenges. The fourth one, define your vision. Know your purpose and align your actions with it. The fifth one, lead with integrity. Influence through values, not fear. These are not just steps for political success, they are principles for life. Success isn't measured by titles or wealth, it's measured by the impact you create. Zahran's history shows that one person's vision, fueled by resilience and values, can inspire thousands and change the world around them. Imagine the ripple effect if each of us applied just one of these principles in our own lives. Zohran Mamdani's journey is a testament to what is possible when you combine vision, resilience, values, and purpose. His success wasn't hidden in luck or privilege, it was hidden in choices, the everyday, relentless decision to act, grow, and inspire. Let this story be a reminder your challenges are opportunities, your values are your compass, and your vision can change not just your life but the lives of those around you.